Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a disassembly tutorial on this Samsung Galaxy Note 9. If you're looking to replace your screen, we're going to show you the method on how to disassemble this phone here, so we can go ahead and get this started. What I previously did was I preheated the backplate already. I do have a heat pad. If you guys don't have a heat pad, you can always use a heat gun. All you gotta do is just heat around the border here just to warm up the adhesive, so you can kind of get your way in to remove the back housing, or the back plate, sorry. So what we're going to do is get our Sesamo, try to get underneath there, and kind of just create a little gap. After I create that gap, what I like to do is grab a little plastic card. You can use a deck of cards, whichever works, just nice and thin. So we want to go in and just work around and slowly break up the adhesive underneath. So we'll go ahead and take that apart. Once that's off, you're going to want to try to open this phone slowly, because there's still a cable in here. As you can see right there, it just unplugged. That cable connects right there to your Touch ID. So just be careful when you take that back plate off, you don't forget about this. So we're going to move that out of the way, and we're going to start with taking out all the screws. So what we got, they're all Phillips. They're all the same size, so you don't really have to worry about mixing up the screws, unlike the iPhones. It's pretty standard. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and remove all these screws here. This is a teardown tutorial to show you guys how to open up the phone so you can replace the screen for yourself or for your customer. If you guys are just tuning in, guys, make sure you try to hit the like and subscribe. Follow me. So once we get all the screws loose, we'll just turn around, try to tap it, see whatever we can get out. And then we'll just move those out of the way. Whatever is remainder, we can pull it out with the tweezers. Once you get that done, what we want to do is grab a little pry tool. I have my Sesamo here. We're just gonna try to pop this up. There's one more screw here. And we got one more screw here. So just make sure all the screws are out, guys. Just double check. So once we get that out, we can go ahead and remove the wireless charger. And then we'll get down here and remove the bottom speaker. So now if we look at the board, you got your battery. I'm going to unclip that first, and then we'll proceed with unclipping the camera. That one just jumped off, so did that one. Cable here, LCD cable, charger port, and a couple other ones. This one, don't forget, got the SIM tray. And you have a pen down here. We actually don't have the pen in here, but all you gotta do is just pop it out, remove the pen, you're good to go. So once you got those removed, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is try to get into the Note here and just kind of find a way and just wiggle out the motherboard. Try to find a little gap to work your way in. Just kind of move these cables and slowly wiggle out your motherboard there. Okay, that's the motherboard. Get that out of the way. You have your charger port here too. This one came out pretty easy. But you have your charger port with the microphone. We'll go ahead and remove that. And then you got your, I'm gonna flip this around. Headphone jack, vibrator, earpiece, and proximity sensor. So we'll get underneath this little gap here and just kind of pry out the headphone jack there. There she is right there. Not focusing. That's okay. Get that out of the way. We have our vibrator. Will this focus? Yeah. Then we'll turn this back around and we have our earpiece. So we'll go ahead and just kind of wiggle our way in. Pop that earpiece out. Get that out of the way. Oh, earpiece. Can you see it? Get that out of the way. And you got your proximity sensor here. Just try to get underneath. Just kind of wiggle it up. That's your proximity sensor. And flash, I think. So last thing to do is the battery. So what you want to do is you want to preheat this battery. Again, if you don't have a heat pad, you can use a heat gun or a blow dryer. Just heat around here, get it nice and warm, and then you'll be good to go. I'm going to go bring it to the heat pad, warm it up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's warmed up a bit, but before I try prying it, if you have ISO, you should use some. Just try to get underneath the battery there. We'll get our Sesamo tool, and we'll just try to get in. Just kind of slowly wiggle it out. And once you get a little gap, just slowly work the battery out just like that. And that's the battery, guys. We'll get that out of the way. And right now, you just have the shell. So what we removed was the motherboard, the battery, vibrator, headphone jack, proximity sensor, earpiece, and your charger port and microphone. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just put everything back in reverse. I like to start, you can start with whatever. I'll start with the headphone jack, or the charger port, sorry. And then we'll go with the headphone jack. Just line everything back in its place. So it's nice and lined up. We'll go ahead with the vibrator. Just putting everything back in reverse, guys. If you guys are still watching this video, feel free to hit the like and subscribe. If it was informative, feel free to leave a comment and say hi. Put the earpiece back in. We'll go ahead and put the proximity and flash back in. And before I put the cameras back in, what I like to do is I put the motherboard back in first. So we'll go ahead and just kind of slide his way between these cables and just kind of line it back up. Make sure there's no cables in the way like this one. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Make sure your board is nice, seated nice and flat. We'll go ahead and plug in the LCD cable. Sorry about that, guys. Phone call came through. Plug the cables back in. And now we'll go ahead and put the two front cameras back in. So it's pretty easy. This video is just to show you how to dismantle the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in case you want to replace the screen yourself or for a client and you just need a quick refreshment. This is how you do it. So after that, we just put our battery back in, plug it in, And we'll go ahead and put our speaker back in. After this, we're pretty much done, guys. So go ahead and put the screws back in. If you guys are looking for other disassembly and repair videos, feel free to check out my channel, guys. I've got a bit of videos on there that might be able to help you on your future fixes if you need. So we'll go ahead and put this top plate back on, the wireless charger, and we'll screw everything back into. Oh. These screws can get a little tricky sometimes, so just be patient. Go ahead and get everything locked back in, doing everything in reverse. If you watched up to here, you probably know we're at the final stretch. Most of the people that are watching this, if you guys are looking just to find out how to open the phone, you can just watch the beginning of the video and finish the rest on your own. So we'll go ahead and finish off with this screw here. Move that to the side. And then we got the Touch ID. What I like to do is remove this and manually put it on. It just makes it easier to plug in, opposed to trying to plug it in with the back cover on. That way I can just plug it in like this. Your adhesive around. If you don't have adhesive, put on some brand new ones. You can use double-sided tape. Probably get these anywhere. If not, I like to use this B7000. It's liquid adhesive. What you do is you run this around the border, but I won't do that just because this is for demonstration purposes. But if you're into cell phone repairs, this is a good investment to have. This will lock everything and give it that little bit of water sealant protection. So what we'll do is we'll put the back cover back on, put our SIM tray back in, and basically you're done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 quick teardown video. If you guys liked this video and it was helpful, feel free to hit the like and subscribe. And there she is, turning back on. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.